Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Got a Athearn Genesis SD70M. This was a complete kit that had to be assembled from scratch. All the grab irons had to be added. Wipers, I added brass. Window shades. I put the MU cable with stands on it. A new plow, MU hoses. All the truck detail parts had to be added, painted all the handrail ends white, the step faces white, and then did the custom weathering and added Tsunami sound and LED lighting. So there's the headlight, there's the ditch lights. Oh, and also added the wind deflectors and mirror. But that one did turn out really nice, actually. I was really happy with this thing. Okay, thanks for watching.